Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy a URL web address link from Amazon. This is super useful when you want to share a specific product with friends, family, or colleagues without having to describe it or send screenshots. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can start searching for products. Now, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll type in the product you're looking for. Go ahead and enter your desired product into that search bar and hit enter. Amazon will then display a list of results based on what you searched for. Take a moment to browse through the product list that appears. Look through the options until you find the exact product you want to share. Once you've spotted it, click on the product to open its detailed page. This will give you all the information about the item, including images, pricing, and specifications. On the product page, you might see options to select different variations such as color, size, or other specifications. Go ahead and select your preferred options. This ensures that when someone clicks on the link you share, they'll see exactly the version of the product you intended. Once you've selected all your preferences, navigate to the product image. You'll notice a share button located near the image section. This button is designed specifically for sharing products across different platforms or with other people. Click on that share button and a small menu will pop up with several sharing options. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Copy Link. Click on it and Amazon will automatically copy the product's URL to your clipboard. This link contains all the information about the product, including the specific variations you selected. And that's it. You now have the product link copied and ready to paste wherever you need it. You can share it through email, messaging apps, social media, or anywhere else you'd like. When someone clicks on that link, they'll be taken directly to the exact product page you were viewing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.